we shall start with today's questions. Grammar, MCQ. Who can remember? How many questions? How many marks? Yes, Jokai? Oh, you're muted.
10 questions, 10 marks.
Yes, very good. 10 questions, 10 marks. Give yourself a point. Oh, by the way, write down a point. If I say give yourself a point, means write down a point. Okay, and at the end, I'll ask you to calculate how many points you have in total at the end of class dojo. Now, visual text. Who can tell me how many questions? How many marks? There are only two kinds of comprehension for PSLE. One is open-ended, right? And the other one is visual text. Of course, open-ended means you have to write down the entire answer by yourself. Visual text is MCQ. Yes, Jaden, your hand is raised. So how many questions, how many marks?
4 questions, 4 marks.
Do you say 4 questions, 4 marks?
Yeah.
You cut it by half. Good try. It's not 4 questions, 4 marks. Who remembers? It is 8 questions, 8 marks. Okay. So remember that visual text is always 8 questions, 8 marks. Now, open-ended comprehension, who knows? Oh, by the way, give us 1 point for trying. How many questions? How many marks? Anyone? Yes, Jokai?
10 questions.
Oh, Emma just came in. Good try. Yes, it is 10 questions. How many marks?
I don't know.
20 marks. Okay. Sometimes, so it's 10 questions, but sometimes the 20 marks is distributed like one question can be 1 mark, another question can be 3 marks or 4 marks. Okay. So it's they'll distribute 20 marks according to the 10 questions. Welcome, Emma Watson. Welcome, welcome. I can't see you though. Hi, Emma. Oh, yes, I can finally see you. Are you feeling better? Have you fully recovered?
A bit of coughing.
Oh, you're still coughing, but you sound better. Okay. Yes, I think I need to give you points in class dojo, right? So, by the way, is there is there a reason why you didn't manage to finish the tutorial for this week? It's okay because you usually do it anyways. But what happened this week?
Oh, I was doing the compo.
Oh, so have you submitted it?
Yeah, I did it. No,
Oh,
I haven't submitted.
You haven't submitted. Okay, yes. You mean week 11 compo, is it? Week 11's compo. Is it last week's compo? Because I need to know which week so I know which week to check. Okay, yes, it's last week. Okay. So yes, okay, welcome. And yes, so I will mark your compo, no worries. So we'll look at the questions today together. Yeah. By the way, I also marked your situation writing. I told you, right? You download your the SW that I marked, right? So if you have any questions regarding my marking, Emma, you can ask me, okay? Okay, let's continue with the first section, grammar MCQ. Who wants to choose my pen color? Anybody? Nobody? So I can choose my own color. Okay, I will choose my own color. I'm going to choose rainbow. Okay. Oh, okay, so now let me see how many students I have. 1, 2, 3. Is it 3? 4. Let me just check. Okay, there's 4 of you. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you in the chat to type first come, first serve, okay? Choose a fruit and type the fruit that you want in the chat right now. One fruit, okay? And please check if somebody else already mentioned it. Don't mention it again because, yeah, one fruit, one time. So you can choose a fruit and type it in the chat. Okay, let me see my chat. So Emma says apple, Jaden is pear, Jerkai is orange, and we're waiting for one more, right? Who's that? Yuchie, is it? Yes. Yuchie, what fruit would you like? Apple is taken, pear is taken, orange is taken. You can choose the remaining fruit.
Wait, I'm typing.
Oh, okay, type. Peach. Okay, great. Please remember the fruits you have chosen. Okay, please remember. I'm going to spin the wheel. So if you have chosen, means you're going to answer my question. Okay. All right. Let me spin my wheel. Jerkai, you can tell me when to stop. Yeah, you can unmute, and when you're happy, you can say stop.
Stop.
Okay. Did anyone choose lemon? No one. Okay, I'm going to spin again. And Jerkai, I'm telling you to stop. Okay.
Stop.
Oh my gosh, what happened is lemon. Okay, I'm going to stop myself. Okay, orange. Did anyone choose orange? Oh, Jerkai. Oh, I chose you. Okay, orange. All right, let's look at the first question. Tell me what is the answer.
The answer is A.
Very good. Can you tell me why? Why cannot be thinner?
Thinner because it's not comparing to
Very
people.
good. Yes, very good. It's a comparison. What about thinners? You will say the thinners. Usually in front of the word thinners will be the something because it's this is called superlative. EST is words are called superlative, meaning they're expressing the highest degree. Okay, so usually whenever the answer is with the EST, it will be the thinnest or the strongest. That's how you know that will be the clue with the word the. Now, most thin, we never usually say she's most thin. We always say she's the thinnest. Okay, so we never use this expression. So that we are left with only A because she is quite something, right? So she's quite what? She's quite thin. These are all adjectives, by the way, different kinds of adjective. One is comparative adjective, one is a superlative adjective. Okay. So the clue here is she is something. She is quite thin. Yes, good. Gives her 1 point, Jakai. Next, choose keep the same fruits. Okay, so I'm going to spin. Emma, tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Apple. Did anyone choose apple? Oh wow! Just now, Jerkai was spinning. I was stopping. He chose himself. Now you chose yourself. Congratulations, you chose apple. You chose yourself. What is the answer for number 2?
Smarter. C.
Yes, very good. Can you tell me why? What is the clue? Just now I told you, right? Whenever it's EST, a superlative, what is the clue? What will be in front of the word?
The.
Yes. Okay, the is the clue because it's the extreme. So superlative word means is the extreme version of it. So the is the clue that it's the smartest. These are all no, not all. 3 of them are adjective. Smartly is also adjective. Smartly dressed. Okay, this one, even though it's an ly word, you always use it in front of a description, right? So smartly dressed. How is she dressed? She's smartly dressed, right? So in that case, it becomes an adjective. So here, smarter cannot be because it's a comparison, right? And we never say most smart. We'll just say smartest. Why say most smart, right? Because they mean the same thing. So you just say the extreme smartest. All right, so the answer is C, and the clue is the. Good, Emma. You can give yourself 2 points. 1 for the clue and 1 for the answer. Okay, I'm going to spin. You chair. You will tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Did anyone choose lemon? No. Okay, say again.
Stop.
Peach, is it you?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, do you notice a trend right now? Everyone is spinning and stopping at their own name, own fruit, sorry. Okay, Peach. Okay, tell me what is the answer?
Next door.
Yes, very good. Now, can you tell me why is the answer next door?
You can I don't know.
Okay, give us 1 point for the answer. Now, whenever next door is hyphenated, do you notice it's hyphenated? Okay, whenever it's hyphenated, it means something. Can you tell me what it means? I'll tell you, okay? When it's hyphenated, it's an adjective. And why is it an adjective? Because it's right in front of a noun. And what is a noun? Neighbor. You're describing neighbor, next door neighbor. So you will use a hyphen because it's an adjective and because you're putting it right in front of a noun. However, if I don't have a hyphen, if I just say, for example, next door's dog, for example, right? In this case, next door is a noun. That's why there's no hyphen, because I'm telling you the dog belongs to the next door, right? So whenever it's a hyphen, it's an adjective. If there's no hyphen, it's a noun, okay? So remember that. Now, so the answer is C because we're talking about who's the neighbor, next door neighbor, right? She lives right beside you. That's what it means, right? What does next mean? Anyone? Next. Yes, Emma?
Beside you.
Yes, exactly, right? In the next house, in the next room. So these 2 words, they mean the same thing, right? Next and beside. Good. Why can't it be nextly? There's no such word, by the way. Okay, there's no such word as nextly. So we do not use that word, so that cannot be the answer. Okay, good. Yes. So let's move on. Okay. Now Jaden, you will tell me when to stop. Okay.
Stop.
Wow, so fast. Oh no, sorry. Wait. My mouse haven't gone there. Okay, say again. Say stop again.
Stop.
Orange. Who's orange? Orange is Jerkai. Okay. Orange is Jerkai. All right. Orange. Jerkai, what is the answer for number 4?
The answer for number 4 is it? The answer for number 4 is C, interested.
Very good. Can you tell me why is it not the others? Because they have very similar meaning. What's the clue here? What tells you it's interested? Because you're asking someone whether they are interested in joining the drama club, right? That's the clue here, right? And interested, what does interested mean, Jerkai? What if I say, are you interested in something means what?
Interested is like, I guess like do you like it?
Yes, very good. Like it's like having an interest, right? It's like a feeling. Okay, this is an adjective. Okay. So having an interest means, do you feel like you're interested in something? That's why it's an adjective, because feeling was an adjective. Okay. So of course, interested can also be a verb, yeah, depending on how it's used. So in this case, so if I say if I say that's an interesting debate, that means that's an adjective because it's in front of the word debate, right? And debate's a noun, so interesting debate. So interesting in this is what is also it's an adjective, okay? But it's because it means catching the attention of something or someone, right? Okay. And eager. What does eager mean? Anybody knows what does eager mean? Is Jaden hands raised? Yes, Jaden. Oh, by the way, use the reaction button, okay? Whenever you want to raise hand, because if not, I cannot see everybody on the screen. So yes, Jaden, what's the answer? I'm sorry.
Means you're angry.
Eager means angry. Good try. That is anger, right? Eager doesn't mean angry. Eager means you strongly want to do something. You strongly desire to do something. That's what it means, okay? Strongly wanting to do something. Okay, for example, I'm very eager to he was very eager to please, means he's very eager to impress him. Okay, or I'm very eager to play this game, so I'm very I really want to play the game. Now keen means eager. They are very close in meaning, but keen means specifically used for senses of your sense, your 5 senses, right? So usually I say I have a keen eyesight, meaning I'm very good, and my sense of eyesight is very developed. Okay, meaning highly developed. Whenever you use in referring to senses, like I have a keen eyesight means I have a very good eyesight. Keen can also mean another meaning, which means to be eager or to be enthusiastic. For example, a keen gardener means he's very eager. He's a very enthusiastic gardener. Okay, that means he really wants to do gardening. He enjoys doing gardening. So these two words are very similar. Okay, keen and eager. But of course, here you're asking a question. You want to know whether someone is interested in joining. So that's why the answer is C. Yes, Jerkai gives a point for the answer. All right, I'm going to spin. Jaden, you can tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Orange again. Orange is Jerkai, right? Okay, let's go again.
Stop.
Pear. Did anyone choose pear?
Me.
Who's me? Jaden. Is Jaden,
Yeah.
right? Okay, good. You finally chose yourself. Well done. So you didn't break the trend. All right, number 5. What is the answer?
A.
A. Very good. Can you tell me why?
You're not comparing to someone who is like slow, like a turtle.
Very good. As something is called a what in English? As something is called a simile. Right? And simile has 2 parts. An adjective and what you're comparing it with. For example, as wise as an owl. Wise